In this video, we are using a foam tree, pom-pom yarn from Red Heart, a glue gun, glue sticks, a pair of scissors, and this yarn is from Red Heart and it's called Pomp-a-Doodle. So you want to make sure that you have your glue gun on, and I'm just giving you an idea of what my tree looks like, and this is what the yarn looks like. The pom-poms are separated by 4 inches of string. So once our glue gun is hot, we're going to start applying the glue onto our tree. And we're just going to do a little bit at a time. We're going to take our string and start wrapping around. Just press down. The glue will be hot, so just make sure you take precautions as needed. And like I said, I'm just going to continue gluing, making my way up the tree. Now, I will leave some spaces as I'm wrapping around the tree because I'm going to go up and down a few times. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to add in as needed. So as you can see, I'm just working my way up. There's no perfect way to do this. Some people use straight pins throughout to hold the string onto the tree. I'm not doing that, but I do know some people choose to use straight pins. So I'm just using my glue. This project is great for a child that wants to help with decorations or make their own decorations. It's a great little project for the holidays. I paid about $3.50 for this, and I did get 2. I got multicolor, and then I got another that is all white. So right now I'm just playing around, as you can see, just wrapping around, and I'm just going to see what I come up with. Now I'm filling in the empty spots. So I'll show you where my empty spots are, and I'm just going to fill them in with individual, because you can also cut the pom-pom just off the string if you want and use the glue. There's no rules saying you have to use the yarn a certain way. So this is how I'm just choosing to do it. And so I'm going to fill in this area. And just apply the glue and press the pom-pom down, and it'll stick. There's another empty spot. Just gonna fill that in just like I did the other spot, and just press down. Now you'll want to make sure if you cut the pom-poms individually that the string is not hanging out. So we just have a few more holes to fill in, and that will do it for our Christmas tree. I'm also going to add a pom-pom on the top, which I already did, and then I'm also going to add my Santa hat, and that's going to do it for our Pomp-a-Doodle Christmas tree. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and I will see you at the next video.